Hello friends. Do you struggle with knowing when to use MUY and mucho? These two words tend to cause an awful lot of confusion among Spanish students. In this video you will learn difference between MUY and mucho, their meanings in English, and some examples. The rules are quite simple and following them will help eliminate any doubts. Let's begin. MUY is an adverb. It means very in English. There is only one form of the word MUY. It has no masculine or feminine form and there is no singular or plural form either. Let us look at some examples of MUY with an adjective.
Mi hermano es muy alto.
My brother is very tall.
Estoy muy enojado.
I am very angry.
Mis zapatos están muy sucios.
My shoes are very dirty. Here are some examples of MUY with an adverb.
Sabes cocinar muy bien.
You know how to cook very well.
José habla muy claro.
Jose speaks very clearly. Now let us talk about mucho. Mucho can be used as an adjective or as an adverb. It means a lot of, much, and many. When mucho is used as an adjective, it must agree both in gender and number with the noun. Here are the forms of mucho as per gender and number. Now let us look at some examples of mucho with a noun.
Hay mucha gente en el banco.
There are a lot of people at the bank.
Mi hija tiene muchas amigas.
My daughter has many friends.
Pablo tiene muchos zapatos.
Pablo has a lot of shoes.
Samuel tiene muchos amigos en la escuela.
Samuel has a lot of friends at school. Now we will look at some examples of verbs with mucho.
Te quiero mucho.
I love you a lot.
Mi esposo trabaja mucho.
My husband works a lot. Don't make these errors. First, you never use the word MUY by itself. It always needs to be accompanied by an adjective or an adverb. Here we have an example for you on the screen. Second, when mucho is not related to a noun, then it is always mucho, without variation. To sum it up, MUY is used to intensify adjectives and adverbs, while a mucho is used to express quantity or extent. It's quiz time. Write your answers in the comments section. That's all folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more language tips, and let me know in the comments if there's any other topic you'd like me to cover. Hasta luego.